Well, I started the first time as a housing officer in 1996. And when I came across the organisation, I had a real buzz about it. I'd worked in a number of different places, different housing associations by then. But when I started at Newydd, it had a different atmosphere. It was very progressive, it felt very positive, and it was really engaged with its tenants. I'm really pleased to say that that is still there with Newydd in 2024. Newydd started in 1974. We had about 200 properties by the time we got to the end of the 70s. Whereas now in 2024, you're talking about 160 staff, 3,100 properties I think we're up to now. I think in the early days, there was a focus on collecting rents, building some new houses and letting properties. Since that time, Newydd has grown hugely to embrace all kinds of elements of support, particularly for communities and for tenants. So our remit has expanded enormously. There's a lot of achievements that Newydd has had over the last 50 years, but one of the biggest was where we are today in Rhydfelyn. We've had some tenants who have been with us for a long time, for the good proportion of their life, and it's great that they spend all of that time with Newydd and we can provide houses and homes and communities that are sustainable.
The amount of care I feel, which I never felt at all before. People felt they weren't just renting, they were living in a home, you know what I mean?
Cadwyn joining the Cadarn Housing Group alongside Newydd will lead to improved quality of housing and improved services for both Newydd and Cadwyn tenants. It gives us an opportunity to develop more affordable housing to address the dire housing shortage across Wales at the moment. We're continuing to follow our corporate plan of delivering affordable homes, sustainable communities and excellent services to tenants. And with Cadwyn coming into the group, that's going to be a huge boost for us to be able to deliver that.